go on those. So let's look at this beautiful new G80. I don't know why people don't like the front end. I can see why, of course, but hey, you gotta respect this. Let's listen.
Carbon fiber strut brace, and it was just a party piece when you open up the bonnet. And the G80, I have to say, is a bit boring when you open up the bonnet, but with this Armor Speed carbon fiber air intake, the drama is back. It looks absolutely incredible.
I'm really an M2 guy, but I love the M3 too. Shoot. But once I have an M2, I don't know. I might get an M3. First of all, look at that. Wow. Compared to like what it was before, all that plastic. Dang. You gotta respect this. Okay, I wish the startup was louder. Or maybe it wasn't in sport, I don't know, but that's all I can say. Whoa, am I tripping? But this intake, it's not loud enough. Let me see.
And the sound, oh, you keep short shifting it because low down, full throttle is where you get these nice sounds, and especially with the manual. I can't stop talking about the manual. It's incredible.
I just feel like with the dual clutch, you could do so much too. But I gotta drive a manual and see what's up. Okay, I heard the turbo, but like I said, not. But damn, maybe that's why you can't hear the intake that much.
And then the FI exhaust takes over where you pass like 4,000 RPM. All hell breaks loose. It's this car. I've had it for nearly a year now, and it still puts a smile on my face every day. I mean...
And check this out. This man drives cars for a living. And he says that about his car. That says a lot. So, I might really have to check this out.
Incredible.
I would get, I would have this in an M3 like that. Just a manual though, because I don't want two automatic cars. Damn. Okay. That seemed like a lag. Am I tripping? But maybe it's because of the manual.
So apart from the sound and the eye candy, you also have a little performance gain because they say it adds like 10 to 15 horsepower. And my best run with stock software was 9.2, and after the installation I did a 9.1. So that seems valid. And I cannot wait for the ECU to be unlocked, because then we can get the full potential out of this car power-wise, which means 700 horsepower probably. So yeah, I think this wasn't my last trip.
Okay. That paint, it's crazy. It's crazy. I would put that on this because I like that. Is that brown or bronze?
To Mosselman, because I want to do as many molds as possible. They have to improve the car, of course, because there are also molds that don't improve your car. So to conclude, the Armor Speed air intake,
well, ladies and gentlemen, that was a G80 intake. Um, like that looks pretty great. Um, sounds great. I feel like it'll be better in the car, you know, because from here you can hear the intake, but not that much. And it looks amazing. That's all I could say. I would rate that a 10 for sure. I know I said I wish you could hear things louder and blah blah, but that exhaust is so loud. I wouldn't even be caring. That exhaust screams, and I like that.